Namaste everyone. In this video series, we are covering the Indian polity of Laxmikant through questions and answers. And today we are going to cover the chapter 2 of Indian polity of Laxmikant, that is making of the constitutions. The slides are prepared by me, Tarun. Before starting the video, I would like to request all of you to please do like, share and subscribe to the channel for regular update. So let's get started without any delay. First question. Who was the first to put forward the idea of Constituent Assembly? Answer is M.N. Roy in 1934. M.N. Roy in 1934 put forward the idea of Constituent Assembly to frame the Constitution of India. Next question. When did Indian National Congress demanded officially a Constituent Assembly to frame the Constitution for India? In 1935. Answer is, in 1935, Indian National Congress demanded officially a Constituent Assembly to frame the Constitution for India. Next question. Who made the August offer? Answer is Lilithgow in 1940. He was the Viceroy of British India in 1940. Okay. Next question. Cripps Mission came to India in? Answer is 1942. Cripps Mission came to India in the year 1942. Next question. What was the total strength of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is 389. 389. Next, when did the first meeting of Constituent Assembly held? The first meeting of Constituent Assembly was held in the year 1946, December 9, 1946. December 9, 1946. Next, who was the temporary president of Constituent Assembly? Answer is Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Next question. Did Muslim League attend the first meeting of Constituent Assembly? Answer is no. Muslim League boycotted the meeting as they insisted on a separate state of Pakistan. Okay. Next question. How many members attended the first meeting of Constituent Assembly? There were 211 members. 211 members attended the first meeting of Constituent Assembly. Next question. Who was the first permanent president of Constituent Assembly? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next. Who were the vice president of Constituent Assembly? There were two vice president of Constituent Assembly and they were H.C. Mukherjee and V.T. Krishnamachari. H.C. Mukherjee and V.T. Krishnamachari. Next question. Objective resolution was moved by whom? Objective resolution was moved by whom? Very important question. It was moved by Jawaharlal Nehru in the year 1946, 13 December. 13 December 1946, Jawaharlal Nehru moved the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly. Next, when did the objective resolution adopted? The objective resolution adopted in the year 1947, January 22. Moved in the year 13 December and adopted January 22, 1947. Okay. Next question, 14. Who was the chairman of Constituent Assembly when the Assembly act as a legislative body? Okay. When the Assembly act as a legislative body. Answer is G.B. Mavlankar. Okay. And when it was act as a constituent body, it was chaired by, the Constituent Assembly was chaired by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and when it act as a legislative body, it was chaired by G.B. Mavlankar. Very important. Next question. When did the Constituent Assembly ratify the Indian membership of the Commonwealth? Answer is in May 1949. In May 1949. Okay. Next, Constituent Assembly adopted the national flag on July 22, 1947. July 22, 1947. Next question. When did the Constituent Assembly adopt the national song and national anthem? Answer is national song was adopted on January 24, 1950, and on the same date, national anthem was also adopted. That is January 24, 1950. Okay, let's move on to the next question. How many sessions the Constituent Assembly had? The Constituent Assembly had a total of 11 sessions. 11 sessions. Next question. The Constitution was completed in how many days? The Constitution was completed in a total of 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Very important questions. 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Okay. Next question. The Constitution makers took the help of Constitution of how many countries? Answer is 60 countries. A total of 60 countries. The constitution makers took help. Okay. Next question, what was the total expenditure on making the constitution? Answer is 64 lakhs. 64 lakhs. Next question, when did the final session of Constituent Assembly held? The final session of Constituent Assembly held on January 24, 1950. And on the same date, national song and national anthem was also adopted. Okay. Next, when did the new parliament form? The new parliament formed after the general election in 1951 to 52. Okay. Next, who was the chairman of Union Power Committee? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question, who was the chairman of Union Constitution Committee? Answer is again Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, who was the chairman of Provincial Constitution Committee? Provincial Constitution Committee chairman Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next, who was the chairman of Drafting Committee? It's very important, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next, who was the chairman of Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, Minorities and Tribal Excluded Areas? Answer is again Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next, who was the chairman of Fundamental Rights Subcommittee? Fundamental Rights Subcommittee chairman J.V. Kripalani. Next question, that is 30. Who was the chairman of Minorities Subcommittee? Answer is H.C. Mukherjee. H.C. Mukherjee. Next question, who was the chairman of Northeast Frontier Tribal Areas and Assam Excluded and Partially Excluded Areas Subcommittee? Answer is Gopinath Bordoloi. Gopinath Bordoloi. Next question, who was the chairman of Rules of Procedure Committee? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next, who was the chairman of States Committee? States Committee chairman Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, who was the chairman of Steering Committee? Steering Committee chairman Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 35. Who was the chairman of Finance of Staff Committee? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, who was the chairman of Committee on National Flag? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question, how many members were in the Drafting Committee of Constituent Assembly? There were 7 members, very important, 7 members in the Drafting Committee of Constituent Assembly, and the chairman of Drafting Committee, B.R. Ambedkar. Okay. Next, when did the Drafting Committee set up? It was set up in the year 1949, 29 August. 29 August. Next, when Dr. Ambedkar did introduce the final draft of the Constitution, it should be Constitution, okay? There is a spelling mistake here. In the Constituent Assembly. Answer is November 4, 1948. It was the first reading, okay? Then second and third reading was also there. Next question, when did the Constituent Assembly adopt the Constitution? Very important question. The Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949, which contained 395 articles and 8 schedules. Okay. Next question, who was the modern Monu? Modern Monu was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Okay. He was also known as the father of Indian Constitution, the chief architect of Indian constitutions, etc. Next question, what was the symbol of Constituent Assembly? It was elephant. Elephant was the symbol of Constituent Assembly. Next question, who was the constitutional advisor of Constituent Assembly? The constitutional advisor of Constituent Assembly was B.N. Rao. B.N. Rao. Next question, who was the secretary to the Constituent Assembly? The secretary to the Constituent Assembly was H.B.R. Iyengar. H.B.R. Iyengar. Okay. Next question, who was the chief draftsman of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is S.N. Mukherjee. S.N. Mukherjee was the chief draftsman of the Constituent Assembly. Okay, next question, who was the calligrapher of Indian Constitution? Very important question. The calligrapher of Indian Constitution was Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. The original Constitution was handwritten by him in Italy. Next question, the Constitution was decorated by whom? The Constitution was decorated by Nandalal Bose and Bewhar Ram Manohar Sinha. They belong to Santiniketan. Next question, the cabinet mission had how many members? Answer is 3, and they were Patrick Lawrence, Sir Stafford Cripps, and A.V. Alexander. Okay. Next question, cabinet mission came to India in. Cabinet mission came to India in the year 24 March 1946. Next, and the last questions of this video. The Hindi versions of the original constitution was calligraphed and decorated by whom? Answer is calligraphed by Basant Krishna Beda, and decorated by Nandalal Bose. Calligraphed by Basant Krishna Vaidya and decorated by Nandalal Bose. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Hope all of you guys like this video. God bless you all. Thank you.